Today, we'll be staying at the Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos. If you enjoy content like this, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Once you arrive at the Waldorf Astoria, you'll be warmly greeted and verified as a guest. They'll also take your order for the welcome drink, which will greet you once you drive through the short tunnel leading into the property. While I waited for my room to be ready, I took a quick walk around the property, starting with the family pool area. This side also has some of the suites and casita room types. There's actually 2 pools in this area. The family pool is surrounded by the rooms and is quite shallow, while the adult pool is on the beach with infinity views. I've recently been using this suitcase from Level 8 and have been enjoying it. Level 8 did send me this to test out, but they don't have any say in this video. This is their 20-inch Hegent carry-on. It has an aluminum frame, tough polycarbonate exterior with metal corner guards for added protection. The quiet 360 spinner wheels help it roll smoothly on different types of surfaces, and I really like the soft touch handles on the top and side. It also has 2 zipperless TSA compatible locks for added security. Inside, there is a mesh pocket organizer on the left. The right side has their adjustable Y-strap compression system with removable divider to keep things compact and organized. Level 8 is having a sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday from November 21st to December 2nd. If you use my code, you can get an extra 5% off the cost of the suitcase for a total of 25% off. Doing so has no added cost to you, but will help benefit the channel. I will have the discount codes linked in the description below. The main infinity pool is on the opposite side of the property. It also has a swim-up bar and is in front of one of the main dining facilities, Don Manuel. This pool did get busier earlier in the morning, but was still quiet enough to be relaxing. Next to the pool is this cool champagne bar, and there are stations with sunscreen throughout the property as well. Once you enter the room, there's a small area that has your complimentary bottle of Clase Azul tequila, espresso maker, and mini fridge. The mini fridge was stocked with plenty of water, juice, and sodas. This room had 2 queen beds, an armchair, and a small coffee table facing the TV and fireplace. Inside the bathroom was a standard toilet, a dual vanity sink, and a small bench in front of the shower. The shower is pretty spacious and had a rainfall head. Opposite the shower was a large soaking tub. The closet is pretty standard and had some robes, iron and ironing board, as well as a safe. Outside on your patio is the star of the show, your private plunge pool. Each of the 112 rooms at the Waldorf has a plunge pool. One cool thing about the Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos is that they bring chips and guacamole and Coronas daily to your room between 4 and 6 p.m. For dinner, I ate at Don Manuel's. I went with a pan-seared sea bass and organic vegetables, and they were all delicious. Breakfast is also served at Don Manuel's. As a Hilton Gold or Diamond member, you have the option for free continental breakfast, or you can upgrade to the buffet for $20. The buffet is pretty good with lots of different hot options like juices and pastries, but the upcharge for elite members is a bummer. After breakfast, I relaxed by the pool for quite a bit and then went back to my room for a late lunch. I ordered room service and I had the burger and it was presented beautifully. It also was delivered very quickly, at most it took 20 minutes. The gym is pretty large and has lots of equipment. There's also a dedicated room for free weights and a yoga and stretching room. Walking around the property is very nice and you can see how the hotel is built into the side of the cliffs. There are a few other facilities around the property, such as the Agave study. It has an outdoor seating area with views of the ocean, as well as an extensive tequila and mezcal selection. There's also a coffee shop called Neutral. Overall, I really enjoyed the property and it's a great use of Hilton free night certificates.